So, being a member of vegandesign.org is not just for interior designers or business professionals, it's for everyday people like me who, honestly, at the end of the day, want to come home to a home that's safe, healthy, and welcoming. And that's really been made possible by being a member of vegandesign.org because they provide you with a resource guide where everything is laid out for you. Everything from vegan mattresses to non-toxic cleaning products to even things for your pets that are vegan and cruelty-free. And if you're anything like me, you don't have the time to sit down and spend hours looking for these things. And that's what's so great about the resource guide is that it's a direct link to these companies and their products that the team at vegandesign.org has looked over and made sure are vegan and cruelty-free and non-toxic in the case of cleaning products. So all you have to do is follow those links and you know that you're purchasing something that's cruelty-free and vegan and non-toxic. It's not just for interior designers, business professionals, it's for people like you and me, and it's been really life-changing for me. I hope it is for you too.